Today I'm going to show you about my eating with meatball, everyone. So eat with me, everyone. Mm. With green meatball, everyone. Everyone, I want to show you the landscape also. And the blue landscape like this, you can look at by yourself at the back of me, everyone. Look at by yourself. It is so green landscape, everyone. And also I got a fresh air when I am here. I got a fresh air like this, so maybe it make my feel to be more happy, everyone. This is meatball. Fresh air and also happy yummy food too. Everyone, the sky now is raining. Can you see the raining, everyone? The raining, and also it's just a little raining, everyone, but it make my feeling now so happy and so fresh and yummy food too. Wow. So now I think it is enough of my eating, everyone. So let me say goodbye, everyone. But don't forget have me to subscribe my channel. I will find the most and the best landscape like this to show you more for the next video. Thank you, everyone.